Imagine holding a camera that doesn't just take pictures, but captures reality with such terrifying detail that you can see the texture of a person's iris from across a room. For years, the Sony A7R series has been the gold standard for high-resolution photography, but in 2026, the rules of the game have been completely rewritten. We aren't talking about a minor upgrade or a simple megapixel bump. We are talking about the Sony A7R VI, a machine that is currently sending shockwaves through the industry, threatening to make $10,000 medium-format cameras obsolete. If you are a professional photographer, a landscape enthusiast, or a studio creator in the United States, your world is about to get much sharper. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But the real question is 80 megapixels a dream come true, or is it a workflow nightmare that will break your computer? Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most controversial alpha camera ever made. The heart of the A7R VI is a brand new 80.2 megapixel XMR RS stacked sensor. This is a massive leap from the 61 megapixels we've seen in the previous two generations. But it's not just the number, it's the stacked architecture. By layering the memory directly behind the pixels, Sony has achieved a readout speed that was once impossible for a high-res body. We are looking at 30 frames per second continuous shooting in 14-bit RAW. Think about that for a second. You are capturing 80 million pixels, 30 times every single second. This isn't just a landscape camera anymore. It is a high-speed beast that can handle fashion, sports, and wildlife with the same precision as the Sony A1. Sony has effectively merged their resolution line with their speed line, and the results are honestly frightening. But the real magic happens inside the new Bion's XR2 processor. In 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's the brain of your camera. The A7R VI features a dedicated AI processing unit that doesn't just track eyes, it predicts movement. Sony's new human pose estimation technology can now predict where your subject's eye will be even if they turn their back or walk behind a tree. For wedding photographers in the US, this means a near-zero failure rate. Whether you're shooting a fast-paced ceremony in a dark church or a chaotic reception, the AI is doing the heavy lifting, ensuring every single eyelash is in perfect focus at 80 megapixels. This is the medium-format killer moment because it offers Hasselblad-level detail with the autofocus speed of a fighter jet. Now, let's talk about the video, because this is where the A7R VI takes a massive swipe at the cinema industry. We are looking at full-frame 10.9K oversampled 8K video. By capturing data at nearly 11K and squeezing it down into an 8K file, the level of sharpness and three-dimensionality is staggering. But Sony didn't stop there. For the first time in the R series, we have 4K at 120 frames per second with almost no crop. And thanks to a redesigned thermal architecture, rumored to be a passive vapor chamber system borrowed from high-end smartphones, the A7R VI can record 8K for over an hour without hitting a thermal limit. This is no longer just a stills camera that does video. This is a hybrid powerhouse that can sit on a Hollywood set just as easily as it sits in a landscape photographer's backpack. The physical design has also seen a pro overhaul. Taking a page out of the Sony A1 book, the A7R VI features a deeper, more ergonomic grip designed for long days